Let's take a look at this document. Some things that are very good about this document are the use of brand color. As you can see, the color palette is quite minimal. It's just following the brand. Something else that's really good about this document is the bullets. If you have a look down here, you can see some of these bullets have some emphasized text. This is really helpful for skimmability. Another thing that's really good about this document is the use of pullouts to emphasize points. So here's one of the pullouts here. They've used a little graphic. Another pullout here. It's almost like every single page of this report has some pullout. It has great pullouts. Some things that could make this document even better. I believe that some of these headings could be easier to read if the line lengths were more balanced. So here's an example on the cover where if the word through was down on the next line, it would have a better flow. And I found on a different page, this heading would be easier to read as well if the heading was more balanced. Another thing that I found in this document that would make it even better if it was included is the table of contents could have been made clickable. So when you click on an item in the table of contents, it went straight there. Something else I found in this document that could be made better is to do with the infographics here, where there is both a lot of space around the items and then everything is also quite a bit crammed, where there's very little space between the graphics and the headings and the next graphic. Thanks for watching.